susu ya ka education Lyngba ka ba ilarai mentang sngi ba kadon ke jing duna ya bynta nak district baro macam ba kadon ke shortfall ke jing duna kumpa khat raja isi ha kini ki school kiba ki secondary school ya kiba ka kami mentang sngi ilarai ba ni kentiu no ya ki riew teli di secondary school, Shaki Higher Secondary School. Kata kalong ke Lyngba Government Secondary School, East Yadi Hills. Tolong Nong Khlieh Government Secondary School, Nong Talang Government Secondary School, Tirot Singh Memorial Government Secondary School, Lakinsau, Tura Public School, Bat Kajawai Public School. Kini ki secondary school, ya kiba nila rai, pan kentiu no eki, Shaka Higher Secondary level. Nangta kidan pada ki school kiba mdan ya ki stream kom ke nuksa ke commerce stream kaba ngin wanrak thamai no ha government boys higher secondary school Tura, Dalu Government Secondary School West Garu Hills, Bakmara Government Higher Secondary School Bakmara, Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jawai, Sorkar Government Higher Secondary School Sorkar. Nang ta kidon ki school pat ki bamdon ya ka science stream kum ka Tirot Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Nongklau, nang ta ka Malangkona Government Higher Secondary School Malangkona, United Kharkuta Government Higher Secondary School North Garu Hills. Kini ngin wanra no ya hikai ya ka science stream. Kidon pat kibamdan ya ka art stream kini ki kinthup ya ka Jirang Government Secondary School Ribhoi District wa ka Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Mawphor ya ka ba ila rai ban introduce no ya ka art stream de ki post ya ki ba ni la menjur hakini ki khatnyo teli school kelok shi spotlight punyo teli but ya kita ki bangin upgrade habai kynlang pro financial implication lani ke jingluk jicep ke sorkar kalong shipau crore prapuwei lak khandai phnyo hajar sanspa sanpau tingka mangasna kata kadai ha jing ya dai bat ka education tingil amenjur ru pa